If you, my name is Sal and today I am here to describe a picture in on words through story. So let's start. In this picture, there was too much crowd, but they focused on two peoples, one man and one woman. I am thinking that they are talking about business because man looks like a owner of the company because he wears expensive clothes. That's why I was thinking that he is the owner of the company. Woman looks like a customer of the company because before some time the owner of the company had printed news in newspaper and magazines. The news the news was relating to issue of shares because the company needs more money to run their business. After seeing the news in newspaper, woman comes to buy the shares from the company, but she have some query about shares. That's why she is coming. That's why she is coming to meet from the owner of the company, and she is starting asking some questions like which type of shares your company allotted to your shareholders, and which type of facilities your company gives to your shareholders, and how much interest you give on your shares. After hearing the question of woman, the owner of the company says we have too much reputation in the market area, in our market area. We give some many type of facilities to our shareholders. We give two types of share our shareholders like equity and preference. We give some more facility to equity shares than preference shares. We give 10% interest on equity shares and preference shares. We give also a facility to our shareholders when they stuck in a bad time. On that time, we give also a small loan to our shareholders. And ma'am, and we are also allotted some debentures because many times when our company get lost, on that time we needs some loan. So we also give some interest on for debentures, and we give too much facilities for our debentures. That's it from my side. I have more things about this topic, but I am thinking that your time is very precious. So bye bye and take care.